Hello dear students, so let's take today's geography question paper. How was it? Okay, so you all have already done the paper, so we'll go through this question paper and we'll try to check the answers. So official answer key is also there, so I've already marked the answers are highlighted in green, so we can go through it easily without wasting our time. So let's start. So it's a geography paper, so today's date also I have mentioned it over here. Okay, so now let's start. So first one, question number one, what do the black curved line in 3530 indicates? The answer is C, broken ground. Question number 2, what is the direction of Dadra and Doha? So answer is northeast. Question number 3, what is 7r in 4833? So answer is A, relative height of 7 meter. Then question number 4, what mode of transport is used by people of Malawa and Dhantarai? The answer is cart truck. Okay, the answer is cart truck, B. Question number 5, what is the main occupation of people living in the area shown on the eastern part? The answer is forestry. Question number 6, what is the social significance of Idarla? The answer is annual fair at Idarla. C is the correct answer. Question number 7, what does the number 200 in grid square 4932 represent? The answer is C, contour height. Question number 8, with reference to the scale given on topographical map, 20 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer, what is the area of land enclosed between 48 to 50 easting and 28 to 31 northing? The answer is B, 6 square kilometer. B is the correct answer. Question number 9, what does nearness of contour line indicate? The answer is it indicates steep slope. Question number 10, which scale out of the following that is printed on the topographical map is considered a special scale? The answer is representative fraction. Question number 11, with reference to the winter rain in India, answer the following. Western disturbances provide rain to which of the following states? The answer is A, Punjab. Number 2, which of the following cause rain to Coromandel coast? The answer is retreating monsoon. A is the correct answer. Number 12, westerly depressions are active in India during which of the following month? The answer is between December and January. B is the correct answer. Question number 13, so on the basis of this station, okay, you have to answer it. What is the annual range of temperature experienced by the station? The answer is B, 10 degrees Celsius. Number 2, which according to the given data is the driest month? The answer is B, April. Next, question number 14, why is the central part of Deccan Plateau dry area? The answer is D, it is a rain shadow area, Western Ghats. Option number D is correct. Number 15, why does Patna get more rain than Agra during the summer monsoon season? The answer is C, Patna is on eastern side, so Bay of Bengal branch bring more rain to it than to Agra. C is the correct answer. Number 16, which of the statement is not correct for Indian monsoon? The answer is C, most of the rain is in winter time. Option C is correct. With reference to methods of prevention of soil erosion, answer the following. Name the method used to prevent soil erosion by running water. Answer is terrace farming. Number 2. Name the method used to prevent soil erosion by wind. Answer is B. Strip cropping. Number 18. Name the soil that is found in central Deccan Plateau. The answer is black soil. How is the soil named by you in above formed? Answer is C. Found by the weathering of basic lava rocks. C is the correct answer. Number 19. Why is laterite soil used in Goa and Kerala for the construction of houses? The answer is A. It become hard when dry. It become hard when dry. A is the correct answer. 20. Why are the foothills of Himalayas prone to excessive soil erosion? Answer is C. Large scale deforestation in past. 21. Name the soil that possesses the following characteristics. Soil is generally confined to river basins. The answer is alluvial soil. Number 2. Soil that becomes infertile because of desilication. The answer is laterite soil. D is the correct answer. Number 22. The productive function of forest includes C. Provide various products such as timber, fuel, wood, leaves, etc. (23) Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Answer is B. Sandalwood, tropical deciduous forest. 24. Name the type of natural vegetation that is found in the windward side of Western Ghat. Answer is A. Tropical evergreen. 25. Which of the following is not characteristic of desert vegetation? Answer is C. Broadleaves. 26. Why do we need forest conservation? Answer is C. Forests help in maintaining ecological balance. C is the correct answer. Number 27. During which month do we celebrate when one month of every year in India? That is in July to September time period. B is the correct answer. Question number 28. What is the term used to describe the growing of trees in various parts of the country? The answer is D. Afforestation. Number 29. Why is there a need to conserve water in India? A. Lot of water is polluted. What are the advantages of rainwater harvesting? The answer is A. Recharge of groundwater and conservation of water. 31. Why is canal irrigation more popular in northern plains? Answer is A. Surface of land is almost flat and soft soil is easy to dig. Number 32. Which of the following is correctly matched? C. Lindwell and Uttar Pradesh. 33. Which of the following is not a suitable condition for the development of tank irrigation? Answer is B. Permeable rock structure. Permeable rock structure. 34. Which among the following is a groundwater source? Answer is spring. 35. What is the importance of drip irrigation? The answer is C. It can irrigate more area with less uses of water. 36, so till 35. Okay, so altogether we have 35 questions. Okay, so this is all about from today's geography question paper. Hope you all have done properly. Okay, so this is still page number 14. 14 is the last page. Okay, altogether 35 questions. Okay, so 35 including sub parts were also there, so altogether 40. Okay, so hope you all have done well. So now rest of the exams, do it properly. All the best for your future exams. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.